Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Live Net TV on an Amazon Fire Stick using your iPhone. Let's get started. First, turn on your Fire Stick and go to home screen. Now we need to allow apps from unknown sources. Go to settings. Now select My Fire TV. Tap developer option. Turn ADV debugging on. Then turn app for unknown sources on. This allows us to install third-party apps. Now go back to the home screen and select search icon and type downloader, download and install the downloader app. Now take your iPhone, open Safari and search for LiveNet TV official website. Copy link the download link for the APK file. Now go back to the Fire Stick, open the downloader app, paste the link you copied from your iPhone and then click go. Wait for the file to download. Once the download is complete and install screen will appear, click install. After installation, select done. You can delete the APK file to save space. Now go to your apps and channels, scroll down and open LiveNet TV. Allow any permissions it asks for, and that's it. You have successfully installed LiveNet TV on your Amazon Fire Stick. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.